Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today I created useful content, namely mini contest or retelling the story of the Battle of Uhud. Do you know the Battle of Uhud? If you didn't know, I will explain it. The Battle of Uhud is one of the most significant events in Islamic history that occurred at the beginning of the prophetic period. This event had a deep impact and many lessons can be learned by Muslims today. The Battle of Uhud took place on Saturday, 15 Shawwal 3 Hijriah or 625 after about 1 year after the Battle of Badr. At that time, Mecca was the center of conflict between Muslims and the Quraysh, polities who were hostile to Islam. The Battle of Uhud began as an armed conflict caused by the resentment of the polities after their defeat in the Battle of Badr. The main target of the Quraysh was Hamzah bin Abdul Muttalib. Battle preparation. The Uhud War from the Quraysh was led by Abu Sufyan with 3,000 soldiers and a number of female servants, while the 1,000 Muslims troops consisted of a combination of people from Mecca and Medina. However, on the way to Mount Uhud, Abdullah bin Ubay, one of the largest leaders of the Quraysh tribe, defected and took 300 Muslim troops, so the remaining Muslim soldiers were only 700. Rasulullah SAW dreamed about that will happen in the Battle of Uhud later and confided his dream to his friends. He said, "I dreamed of moving my sword, but suddenly the front broke. So that's what will happen to the Muslims in the Battle of Uhud later. Then I moved it again, and the sword was perfect again as before. So that's what Allah will give to the Muslim at the time of the conquest or of the city of Mecca. Later on the day of the gathering of the believers, I also saw a cow. By Allah, the cow was in very good condition." Rasulullah SAW interpreted his dream as defeat and many victims from his combination. Then Rasulullah SAW held a deliberation with his friends to evaluate the strategy they would use. The Battle of Uhud was led directly by Rasulullah SAW. When the battle took place, quoted from the book, 60 great people around Rasulullah SAW were Khalid Muhammad Khalid. The war began. On the battlefield, Hamzah and the Muslims continued to hit the Quraysh until they were closer to a great victory. However, the Quraysh cavalry came from behind when they were distracted. Even though the Muslims had united their ranks again, their strength was inferior to the strength of the Quraysh. Then one of the slaves who was skilled and singing from Habshi, named Wahshi, struck Hamzah from the trees. Wahshi then threw his sword until it hit Hamzah's stomach and ultimately killed Hamzah. Listen from the Battle of Uhud. Quote from the book When the Prophet Had to Fight by Ali Muhammad As-Salabi. The lesson that can be taken from the Uhud battle are: motivate be serious and active on the battlefield. Motivate to be patient when fighting and dealing with enemies. Explain the negative impacts of division and conflict. Okay, maybe that are for me. If you found any mistake, it's come from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. And the last say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.